How to suspend FTP accounts in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now, click FTP Management icon. Here is the list of FTP accounts. Check the box to select the FTP account you wish to suspend. Then click Suspend option. The selected account has been suspended. Remember that you can suspend or delete additional FTP accounts that you have created. You can't suspend or delete the default or main FTP account of the domain. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.